Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming backups and gathering tools. This avoids data loss and speeds recovery. Once you have a Windows 10 USB or recovery drive, plug it in and power off the PC. Press the BIOS/boot key for your model to boot from USB, and choose Repair your computer rather than Install. Make sure to select Troubleshoot then Advanced options so you can access Startup Repair, System Restore, and Command Prompt, the controls you'll use next. Once you reach Advanced options, begin with Startup Repair. It fixes boot files automatically, so try it first. If that fails, use System Restore to roll back recent changes that broke recovery. Make sure to check Restore Points and pick one before the issue. If problems persist, open Command Prompt and run bootrec commands to repair master boot record and rebuild the BCD. These commands rewrite boot configuration and resolve corruption that prevents startup. After repairs, remove the USB and restart. If Windows boots, verify drivers and run Windows Update. If you still see errors, return to Command Prompt and run chkdsk/f/r to fix disk errors, then sfc/scano to repair system files. Make sure to run chkdsk only when disk is not heavily failing. If all else fails, use Reset this PC to keep files or perform a clean reinstall. One troubleshooting tip: test the drive health.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.